Sons of Anarchy. Running them guns, chasing them women. I want to live like that. I want to be a Sons of Anarchy. At least I could get me one of these Sons of Anarchy motorcycles. This bike is awesome. Anarchy bike.
You looking for a Sons of Anarchy bike?
Damn right I'm looking for a Sons of Anarchy.
You will never find a Softail BLACKLINE looking like this one right here. This one bad boy right here. This has a hard candy, gold, custom paint, custom painted fairing on the front, handlebars, the profile black wheel, lace 21-inch wheel on the front, fork boots. This baby's dressed out. Look at this exhaust. With performance, you want performance? This 2-in-1 Vance and Hines gives you plenty of sound, gives you a ton of power.
I already feel like Jaxx.
Oh man, no.
Hey bros, get away from my bike.
He ain't Jaxx. He's a Jaxx